In this video, I'm going to show you how to print selected slides out of a PowerPoint into a PDF. Because as you can see here, this PowerPoint I have has 31 slides in it. And if I submit this every week, it's going to take forever to upload and forever to download, and it's going to load very, very slowly. So instead, what I would like to do is just have you all submit the slides in the form of a PDF that are directly related to the weekly assignment, so that there's just a few each week that need to be uploaded and downloaded. So for example, let's say that for the very first assignment, we want to print out slide number 1, slide number 3, and slide number 4. So I'm going to hit Control P, and then I'm going to change this. You could do a range of pages here, and it's set from 2 to 4, but I'm going to change it to 1, 3, and 4. I'm going to make sure that my Adobe PDF is set as the printer, and then I'm going to hit the print button. It's going to take a moment to load, and then there's a naming convention that you're going to want to overwrite this file for, and you can save it to whatever folder you want to load it to. It's going to take a second to print. And then you can see here, you'll get a preview of the PDF. And what you want to do is just make 100% sure that it's named properly so that you go and upload the correct file. And then you're going to want to make sure that even though it says it's 3 pages here, that you have the 3 pages that you want. And so you can just scroll down and take a look. These will all be filled in with the actual images that you've created instead of the placeholder. And then from there, all you need to do is upload it under the link for the assignment Dropbox or for the assignment drop area. So that's how you print just a selection of slides and convert them to a PDF for an assignment upload each week, instead of uploading the entire PowerPoint or a PDF with all 31 slides in it.